Well, hi guys and gals, it's me George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I'm here for a little bit different project today. And I have my project supervisor, one of them, down here, just chilling out. These are called ASOKO lighting. They reached out to me and asked me if I would do a review and an installation. And I said yes I would. And these are magnetically applied or sticky applied motion sensor lighting. And it's very slim. This one here I think is about 18 inches long, but I know they come in different lengths. So I'm going to show you a different application that I have some in that I got before I knew about them being for sale. Just like that. Open the door and the light comes on. And I just slid it into automatic mode. You can put it in the on mode and it has a button to change the light amount in each one of those. And it is a motion sensor. It has to be dark for the auto mode to work for the motion sensor, but you can turn it on and have it come on, and it automatically shuts off after an amount of time. And the nice thing is they give you 3 different sets of mounting magnets. Actually, these are just steel plates. The magnets are actually in the back of the light. There's one here and one down there. And so when you turn it on, it will come on and you can adjust it. Let me see if I can get this set up to be on. And by holding this button, you can get it to fade down to the amount you want, or you can press it and have automatic point sets. I'll explain to you a little bit about how to mount these. It's quite simple. There is one way that you can do it, and that is with the double-sided tape that it has already pre-attached to the back of your little magnetic piece. And you just peel it and stick it up to the bottom of your cabinet. These are primarily marketed as under cabinet lights, but you can also use them in closets, which is what I'm going to do with my second light. And I'll show you a third option that I have already used. I didn't realize, but this is a brand that I had bought, and they're available on Amazon. I bought mine at Walmart. Hold on to your hats. Just like that. Open the door and the light comes on. And you get to see my 3 little T's. Or a little deuce in a 32 Ford Sport Coupe. To mount them, what I'm doing is I'm peeling off the covering on the double-sided tape on the back. There you go. And then you just take it down and you center it on the magnet sign on the back of the light. I did this wrong. No, I did it right. You put the magnet side down on the light like that. Now I'm going to take the light and I'm going to put it in place up underneath my cabinet. I'm going to take it up and I'm going to stick it right up here, right in place just behind the door closer. And I'm going to swing it around so my light switch for the mode is on the opposite side, so it's not too close to the edge, so I can get at it. Put it up there, space it, and stick it, just like that. Now that it's stuck up there, I can take the light down and my two fittings stay in place, just like that. So then all I have to do is take the light, stick it back up there. Let's turn it on. Now I don't need to worry about it because it gives good light underneath here. And if I decide I want to turn it off, I have it in automatic mode now, but I can turn it off. Now you watch, let my camera catch up. That's without the light. And that's with the light. Big difference. And that's a good thing for old people like me and my wife. You know what I'm saying? I'll show you the installation after I get it done in the closet. Same principle. The other thing you can do is that you can also, once you get your stickies up on the bottom of the cabinet, if you want to make them more permanent, they also come with screws. You can just run a screw right up through the middle of that hole, just like that. The other way to attach it using the screw is you take your screw and you stick it through the hole like this, and then you turn it upside down on the light like this. See that? And you put them on both ends, and then you take your light and just push it up against where you're going to screw it on, and it'll leave a mark with your screw point. There's our closet, and it's pretty dark in there without a light. I could just wipe my hand up there, and now it's all lit up. And the beauty of it is, it'll go off on its own. I had a battery-powered LED light up in there, and it was nice, but the problem was sometimes you would forget to turn the light off. I had the switch on the wall over there. Look at that. 23 seconds later, the light goes out. And come back and you want to light it up again, you just swipe your hand up there. Pretty cool, huh? So now you've seen them installed, and I still have these extra pair left. If I wanted to move one of the lights to a different location, I could do that. And they are USB chargeable. This one here plugs into your light, and this one plugs into whatever USB port you want to use. And let me give you a few more specifics about it. The motion sensor device of the light may be affected by changes in the external environment. Do not use it in any environment with strong electromagnetic interference. The light will auto-illuminate for 23 seconds when someone walks by, then go out in the dark. Sensing distance is 10 feet and the range of 120 degrees in auto mode. The way I have mine set up, it has to be closer than 5 feet, but that's fine. They're rechargeable with fast charging USB-C port. The light can be fully charged in 3 to 4 hours. Please use the cable in the package for charging, and you can also keep the cable plugged in to power it if you need. It is safe. Batteries are included. Do not throw the product into the fire exposed to the sun. Do not use if any liquid found. So, I am really impressed with it. I like the way they work. And it gives you who we are. Back in 2017, two young girls wanted to buy a cabinet light that could be easily installed, but failed. They decided to design one, then ASOKO established. That's ASOKO. As a young brand, we embrace the concept of good design and should never be complicated. No matter who you are, you can always find an LED light in ASOKO to light up your home in a simple way. Life should be more simple with more happiness. So I hope you get something from this. They work good in closets. They work good in display cases. They work good under your cabinet. They're simple to install, as simple as peel and stick and just put it in place. Or, as I did in my closet, I actually screwed the plates in place and didn't peel off the self stick on the back. That way, if I decide to move it to a different location, I can easily do it. It has 3 modes. The auto mode turns on when motion is detected in the dark and off in a preset auto off time of no motion detected. And in one of the other places, it's at about 23 seconds. On mode is constant lighting, and the off mode obviously is off. Thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing, thumbs up, and I'll leave a link for ASOKO lights in the subscription. The subscription. I'll leave a link for the lights in the description, and you can get them on Amazon as well as other places. Till next time, this is George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, saying bye for now. How cool is that? I'm standing about 3 feet away from the counter.